some people ask for yachts, and God is like, you know what? I'm gonna give this one to you. Such a small ask, so easy. My head looks huge. Morning guys, morning Isaiah. Nice fit. Wearing his new kicks for the day. Isabel, still sleepy. Good morning Rob. What are we having for breakfast?
Espresso, un cafe, espresso.
I'm having a latte and they actually have oat milk
Cafe
here,
latte.
so perfect.
Melon.
No, peach.
Peach. Looks like, yeah, peach.
Okay. Anyway, we're just pretending we know how to pronounce half the stuff here. We are here at Lavazza, is that what it's called?
Yes.
Yes, it's a little coffee place at the train station that our hotel is attached to. Anyway, we're gonna have this and then we are going to get on the metro and be on our way to
Barceloneta. It means little Barcelona in Catalan.
Nice. It is 11:20 and we just made it to the Barceloneta area here in Barcelona. There's like a marina and right now we're actually in kind of like the inside area, which is super beautiful. More locals than tourists, if anything. I mean, there's still a lot of this going on. But it is definitely like a local scene here, which is nice. A lot of people having their coffees, a lot of like apartments where people live and less shopping. There's still some boutiques and stuff, but anyway, it's so nice. And for us, it's actually really special because being from the Philippines, we can see so many similarities between like the style of living here and just like the layout of how they have their cities. Probably obviously because we had a lot of Spanish influence in our country, and so they have these little like the insides, they have a street that's just wide enough to fit a car with these little side streets or little alleyways going into the entrances for apartments, which is also like the Philippines. Like literally the neighborhood I grew up in, or not grew up in, but like the neighborhood we lived in, that's how it was. So Rob and I are tripping out a little bit because we're like, oh my gosh, it's exactly like the Philippines. And then like we've got, you know, like the older people where they're having coffee and just chatting up with friends and things like that. Like that is such a Filipino culture as well, where we've got like, you know, our aunts and uncles and grandparents and stuff where they just chill in the street and they can like catch up for a very long time with their friends. So anyway, we're really enjoying ourselves here. We're sweating, reapplying that sunscreen a lot, but I think it's worth it. Rob, are you having fun?
Having a great time.
Yeah, obviously.
Really like Barcelona.
Yeah, and he's living in like terry cloth shirts, so it's kind of like wearing a towel, cheating the
It just
heat
absorbs
a
all
little
my
bit.
sweat.
Yeah.
So gross.
Anyway, the kids are also.
Having a great time. Right, guys?
I like how
Say
you
yes.
said that so
No, kidding.
fast. You guys having a good time?
Yes.
Anyway, we are gonna go try to find lunch. We have a restaurant in mind. Rob chose one last night.
Coco's. See
I'm
there?
gonna try to get some acai bowls, something refreshing, avocado toast. You know, keep it local. Keep it Spain. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. All right, bye. We are here inside the Market de la Barceloneta. I think that's what it's called. I saw it fairly quickly. It's a lot smaller than obviously the La Boqueria. Some stalls haven't opened yet, but we thought we'd cut through to get to our restaurant and just see. Okay, and Isabel spotted something. Heads are still there. Yikes. That one's even worse, Isabel. That one still has its eyeball. And oh gosh, it just got worse.
Like chicken nuggets from McDonald's.
Okay, we just left the marketplace and just had to note so that maybe Rob can remember it, which I think he will remember. Yeah, we're going. Cars go very fast here, so you need to get out of the way.
Yeah, you're on the road.
Anyway, Rob's dream just came true. One of the things that he had on his bucket list for Spain is to kick a soccer ball to a local kid. And there was literally a kid who was like just kicking his soccer ball around, and it literally went to Rob, and Rob kicked it, and he's like, I'm good. Some people ask for yachts, and God is like, you know what? I'm gonna give this one to you. Such a small ask, so easy.
Who cares about the big things and the little things? The details.
Yeah, seriously, what a gift. That's it. We're still looking for a restaurant though.
Yeah,
Still
it's
sweating.
almost here. It's like 1-2 blocks away. Very close.
That's what you said like 30 blocks
I know,
ago.
I know.
Okay. Okay, we just finished having brunch at the Coco place, which was delicious. Highly recommend it for something refreshing. and we were just a few steps away from the beach, which is such a plus, but it is gorgeous. We did not bring any beach stuff today. We're simply here to enjoy the view. Isaiah is wearing his shoes. The rest of us are wearing sandals. So we could walk onto the sand, but we will not, I don't think, right? There is a boardwalk. So there's the sidewalk, this guy, and then a boardwalk, and then the sand. Okay, I almost lost Rob and them. They're actually heading over there because they want to take a picture with this building. Like this one here. Rob was saying that that's when you know you're in Barcelona, when you see that structure on the beach. So we are gonna try to take a family picture. Are we sitting? No. Oh, you're talking about that building.
Let's take a little selfie.
I thought you were talking about this building. This one here.
No,
This one.
No.
Isn't that like a
The W Hotel, which is...
Oh,
Where is it?
that guy back there. Okay, well either way we can take a picture in front of all of it. But anyway, we're gonna enjoy. But this is like, yeah, this is how long was the train ride from our hotel?
Hotel? It was like a 15-minute train ride, and then probably about a 20-minute walk if you went all the way.
Yeah, so
we
like
took a bunch of stops.
less than an hour away from
Yeah.
the hotel that we're staying at, which is Hotel Barcelona. So not far away, definitely worth the visit. It's like, and the heat is not, it's not unbearable. Nice. It's so windy that you don't actually feel like you're getting sunburned. So we all put on sunscreen in the morning. We put on like SPF 60, and so far it's worked, right? Like we haven't had to reapply or anything, maybe just like on our face with a sun stick, but otherwise the sun's like actually good.
It's great.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna enjoy ourselves, and yeah. Okay. All right. Try to figure out where we're gonna set our cameras so we can take a picture. Also, it has not felt unsafe.
No.
Like we have been walking around with our camera, and like we've got these little bags that are like super close to our bodies, but like I don't know. I felt pretty safe. Like we've put our cell phone on surfaces to take pictures and stuff, like on the floor or like on a table, and it's been good so far. Like people are super kind, and we haven't felt like there were any big crowds of shadiness where someone was like gonna do pickpocketing. Anyway, still be safe, but like don't be paranoid. Just like enjoy your stay. Okay, cool.
You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun.
My head looks huge. Okay guys, how blue is that water? Like, wow. There's nothing. We have nothing to update you on except for how blue this water is. That's it. We're gonna stop here, take a selfie with this crazy hair and the flyaways and the baby hairs. Okay, touch the blue again, Rob, so they can see how blue it turns. Does it change? Whoa, it looks like we've got a fake background. It's not a green screen. This is actually how blue it looks. Do it again. That's crazy. So we just got inside of Honest Greens. Just gonna grab some drinks and seek some shade because we've been outside for quite a long time. We got some bracelets.
This one for me, this one for mom, and then this one for mom too.
Yeah. Or no, not bracelets. These ones are anklets, but we also got matching bracelets. Kind of.
Hers is black, mine is white.
Yeah. We got it in our style, right, Isabelle?
Oh no!
Did it fall? Oh, your shoe fell. Is it refreshing? Which one is it?
The strawberry one. Ginger one.
Strawberry and ginger? Wow, you're drinking ginger? Good job.
It's good though.
So these drinks here at Honest Greens, you can actually refill. Isaiah's still busy doing his stocks. You can refill at that station over there, as many as you would like, and they have like, you can mix it with carbonated water.
Yeah. Very good.
To make it a little bit fizzy, guys, if you want. Do you want to make it fizzy, Isabel? You can add fizz to it.
I'll try it.
Yeah, try it. And I got a kiwi cucumber kombucha because I haven't had kombucha in a while. Our digestion's been pretty okay during this trip, but it doesn't hurt. Okay, so Rob just went to go grab me a different flavor because apparently the kiwi
doesn't work. He tried 3 other bottles, couldn't open it, so.
Okay.
Try this one.
So we're not just wimpy.
This one, no.
Is it enough?
It's fine.
Oh, that one does open. Nice. Okay, well. Cheers, vlog watching people, and cheers, Rob. Yes. Here we go.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go around the inlet. We're gonna go to the store, shopping mall, and then it's called the Megalodorm or something.
Is it one of those 2 buildings that we passed by when we walked, and then the station?
Yeah, Maro Magnum. It is. It looks like this. And where is it? There it is. It's like literally a mall. Yeah, see? It's like one of those, it's like a mall. I don't know what word that is.
Yeah, that's like their thing here.
Yeah. A little mall, and then we'll head out and then we're done.
Okay, that's good.
Alright?
That's good. Cheers. Oh, Isabel, you took off your cardigan when we're inside the mall.
Yeah.
Okay. We are here, actually at the mall by the beach, and we decided to hit up Pull and Bear, which apparently is a popular store here in Europe. And Isaiah just got wet. Just got a pair of jean shorts, which he's been wanting since we were in Vancouver. But as you can see, there is a huge assortment of shorts and men's clothing here. So we found a little something. But we actually heard of this from one of our friends back home. So Marco, if you're watching this, shout out. Rob has finally made it to your store, Pull and Bear. Okay, wave. Okay, we're just leaving, what is it called? Mare Magnum Mall.
Yes, sir.
Which is super close to the beach. Probably about a 20-30 minute walk depending on how fast you can walk. Anyway, we are going on this super nice bridge which we saw earlier.
It's super packed.
Yeah, it's super packed right now. But we're gonna cross it and then we're heading back on the metro to go to La Flauta again for dinner. Yeah, we're big fans obviously, and I'm gonna actually try to snag a menu and take it home with me so I can put it in a frame as my souvenir. But anyway, we're excited to have the sirloin and the gambas or the shrimp, as well as the mussels again. They prepare it so well.
We're gonna get the creme de catalana.
Oh yeah, and the crema catalana, which is kind of like a leche flan, but the consistency is totally different. But it has like the caramel on top. That's like, what is it like? It's like crystallized sugar, crystallized caramel. People were getting on, and I guess it was on that, right?
for all of these new experiences, new things. Thank you for bringing us here. Mom's favorite, our favorite too, restaurant. And thank you for this food. Thank you, Lord, for everything. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Rob and Isaiah just came back from washing their hands, getting all that metro off.
Oh my God.
And we are just about to start and dig in. Isabel got her favorite, mushrooms and asparagus, and we actually found out that there is pizza here. 3 cheese pizza, so she'll also be able to have something to add to that.
Delicious.
This is the Iberian ham on toast. They're called flautas. That's why this place is called La Flauta. They specialize in that, and it is delicious. And then we've also got this. I don't know what it's called. Our server actually helped us. He's Pinoy and he's awesome. If you're watching this, shout out to you. Yeah, he was the same server that we had last time, but I can't remember what this one is called. But it's delicious. It's literally gambas with I think calamari or squid in the middle, topped off with a cherry tomato. We are waiting for some of the other stuff, but this is like our dinner, even though it is only 6 o'clock. So this is actually very early for dinner, but this is, yeah, much needed.
Early for Spain.
Early for Spain, perfect for us. This is the sirloin that we order when we get here as well. Look at that. It's about €5, I think, or $5.60 per piece, but totally worth it. I don't know, that's how much steak you really just need in a meal anyway, along with your shrimp. So you've got kind of a surf and turf thing going on. Delicious. Highly recommended here. If you go to Barcelona, make sure to go to La Flauta. Good? Happy?
Delicious. Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, I thought his head was in.
Okay, Rob, what are you trying?
Pork here. It's like
Does it taste like lechon?
no,
Oh, what does it taste
it's
like?
like kind of like squid.
Ito yung mga hiwa ng malutagan na.
Oh.
Pantay-pantay.
Pantay-pantay.
Ah, okay,
Salamat
thank
po.
you.
Salamat.
Ice water?
I think dalawa ice water. Thank
3.
you. 3.
Kalahati ko yun.
Okay, so I think this is actually the pizza that just arrived. I recognize the cheese, so there's 3 cheeses and the tomato in there. So that is their definition of pizza here at this restaurant. And then Isaiah just tried, is that the ear? Does it taste like, what did you say, Dad? Tastes like shrimp?
Tastes like squid.
Oh, squid. Interesting. Maybe the consistency of it?
Same kind of consistency.
So, Kuya, this is ito yung pizza.
Opo, flauta pizza po.
Okay. Flauta
Ay, gumawa pala ng
pizza.
sabi.
That's the style. Akala namin it's gonna be like a flat pizza.
Ay, hindi po.
That's okay.
Sa
That's
baguette
okay.
po.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, you know the fold. Hey guys, just having a little midnight snack, almost midnight snack. It's like 10 o'clock, and so little McDonald's run. Some nuggets, some midnight McNuggets, and kids are in another room enjoying their show. I think they're watching Disney in Spanish, and we're watching like a talk show at night. Don't understand anything except for a couple words, and but yeah, it's been a really fun day. Really awesome day at the beach. And tomorrow we're gonna go to the Picasso Museum. Justine found it and booked us a tour, English tour, so that should be really fun. And then we're gonna go to the actually go inside the water tomorrow at the beach.
Inside the water.
In the water. That should be great. No sunburns, so it's a win today. And we're home safe. Back at this really awesome hotel. I know, having a moment.
You are having a moment. You look like you're gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry? You're gonna cry.
You look like you're gonna cry a little bit. It's zoomed in. They can see your crying face.
Hide it. No, okay.
But also, can we just give props to this hotel? Because they hooked it up with these trays that we were hanging over there, right there. And they just literally hang on the wall ledge. But there's 2 per room. So the kids have 2 in their room, 1 each. And Rob has that one. Whoops, just stuffed his face. But anyway, cool, right? Like, look at that.
So smart.
I think IKEA sold these like a while ago, but these are not the IKEA because see, they have that little ledge, which is what allows them to hook on to that ledge. So anyway, all right. Good night. Buenas noches. And we will see you mañana.
Hey guys, my tooth came out.
Wow.
That wiggly thing that's been like, oh my gosh. That thing's been, there's blood?
Yeah, I was wiggling it super hard, and then when I ate a fry, it just like.
Yikes. Okay, show it to the camera.
Yeah.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Good. We can't really see the bloody part. That's fine. Nasty, but oh, there. Oh, wait, don't move. Oh, no, no. Oh, I think they can make it out. Anyway, congratulations.
Thanks. Ow.
Does it hurt? It must not hurt. That thing's been trying to come out for like.
Yeah, it's already grown. Some of it.
Some of your new tooth has grown?
Yeah, it's like this much already.
Okay, can't wait to see it. You want to go brush the rest of your teeth or gargle so all the blood is off?
I already gargled.
Nice. Okay, bye.
Bye. Good night, guys.
Good night. Love you.
Love you.